a bike.
New bike. Great.
And we have some off-road now, thanks to Google Maps.
Yeah.
Our bulb is broken, but we have new one, so quick fix and we go.